Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn Math 24. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a typical question from arithmetic involving fractions on the ACT math test. Here's an example. Of the 240 items produced daily in a company, 2/3 is produced by machine A, 1/5 is produced by machine B, and the rest is produced by machine C. How many of the items are produced by machine C? Well, first we have to find the production of machine A by calculating 2/3 times 240 to get 160. And then we find the production of machine B by calculating 1/5 times 240 to get 48. Now we can find the combined production of machine A and B by adding 160 to 48 to get 208. And finally, we can find the production of machine C by calculating 240, the total production, minus 208. 208 was the combined production of A and B. So when we calculate 240 minus 208, we get 32, and that's it. The answer is A. Great. With practice, you can learn to solve such problems fast so that you can save time for more difficult problems in the test. In the upcoming videos, I'm going to solve other problems from the ACT math test. If you have questions, just comment below and I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.